What's up? What's down? What's good? What it do? Hey gang, it's been a while, but I have no storage, so I can't really record videos. Because every time I try to record, it stops it. Like I was just trying to record a updated Top Knot Bun video, but it stopped in the middle, and I was salty, so I deleted all of it. I got this app. I hope this will work, but if it don't, I'm gonna be so salty because I paid like $3. But anywho, today we're gonna be doing a hair mask. Look, I dyed my hair. This hair mask is for any hair type. If you want to try it, you can. If you don't, that's okay with me too. But don't mind my hair, my face. I just woke up. It's like 9 something in the morning. I haven't touched my hair since like Friday, and it's Monday. I loosened the ponytail, but that's about it because I have nails. Can't really do my hair with nails. And I know y'all wondering, Poopy, why you get your nails done if you can't do your hair? I like getting my nails done. And I be doing it, it's just the ponytail that be hard. I just don't be wanting to break these. Because when you break your nails with acrylic nails, sometimes your nail break with it. And I don't got time for that. Because it happened to this one like 2 times in a row. And I was not for it. I was not for it. Oh, I look good. You don't need mayonnaise. You can use hair mayonnaise, kitchen mayonnaise. It don't really matter. People be like, why would you put kitchen mayonnaise? I meant food mayonnaise in your hair. You're not supposed to put food in your hair. Nutrients. Y'all be, I seen on TikTok and they just be like, you're not supposed to put hair mayonnaise. I meant food mayonnaise in your hair. Okay, I'm gonna do what I do. You do what you do. Anyways, honey. Eggs, I got 3 because I don't have nothing else today. Like you can use avocado, banana, I don't know, a whole lot of stuff. And oil, any type of oil. I'm using grapeseed oil. I usually use olive oil, but it don't matter. You feel me? Anyway, don't let nobody tell you what to do with your head or what not to do with your head. Do what you want to do. Try new things. You feel me? We're going to be cracking the eggs. Just crack them. Like, try not to get the shell in there. Like you're making eggs. You feel me? Oh, I forgot a fork or something to mix it with. I hate this. Please don't forget a trash bag and a spoon like I did. Just crack the egg. Ooh, that's a good thumbnail. I would usually wear gloves, but like, what's the point? The nail's gonna go straight through. Cause I don't like stuff really touching my hands. I don't know, I'm weird. Or like my neck. So when I do this type of stuff, I try not to like get stuff on my neck. Make sure you have like a towel, like, you know, just in case you spill some stuff. Like me, I'm always spilling stuff. Mayonnaise. Put the honey. Never too much. There's never too much. All right, if you have some leftovers, add it again. Add some more. Oh, I will usually wash my hair before. No. I do either or, like wash it before and then do the mask, or do the mask then wash it after. But it's too cold outside for me to be washing my hair, then putting the mask in, then sit. It's cold in the house. Then sitting with the mask. So I'm gonna just put the mask on and then rinse it. And it's the winter time. You need a protein treatment. Period. Don't forget the oil. You know, just eye everything like me. I don't measure. I just be going with it. Make sure y'all got one of these too. Or a trash bag. I mean, you can use a trash bag too. Or like a Walmart bag or CVS, any bag. Just put over it, you know, so it can sit. You can let it sit for like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, an hour. I usually just go with the flow. Rinse with cold water. If you rinse with hot or warm water, the egg is gonna cook in your hair and you're gonna have eggs in your head. Kind of look like cake mix. The bowl is just in my lap and this is how it looks. I kind of put too much egg, but that's fine with me. Yeah, let's get this party started. Okay, if you have naturally thick hair like me, you're gonna wanna part your hair. Well, you don't really gotta part it, but like, shoot, I forgot another ponytail holder. I'm just slacking today. It don't have to be straight, just part your hair. You could do 2 parts, 6. I usually do 4. I should start doing 6, but I don't got time for that. I don't want it touching me. I don't want it touching me. I do not want it touching me. Like, it's like dry right now. You can comb it out before the protein treatment or after, but like, I'ma put the protein. I'm gonna do the protein treatment. Then I'm gonna get in the shower, rinse it out, and then I'm gonna comb it out with conditioner. And I'm gonna use a wide tooth comb. Oop, that's my hair. No brush. I try to stop using brushes because it pull at your hair too much. So don't comb it out with a brush. I mean, if you got a detangle brush, I don't really like those either. But if you got a detangle brush, you can use those. I rather use a wide tooth comb. Some people use their fingers, but my hair is just, look. No, my hair not for that. We're gonna split this part again. Ooh. Is the sun leaving me? Oh no. I hope not. Okay, gonna like split it again. Okay. This just to like, you know, get the back really. I don't want it touching me though, yo. Then it's gonna get on my shirt. You know, this the fit though. I got the matching pants too. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna have to clean up this bathroom because I'm making a mess already. But like, it feels weird, but I like it. Apply it. You know, just like lather your hair with it. I'm hungry. Like, I try to put my head like over the bowl so all the excess can just fall back in the bowl. And this towel is not helping. I'm gonna need like 3 towels for here. It's finna touch me. It's already touching. Okay, this is how it's looking. Just like try to get every strand. I am so hungry. I can feel the stickiness of the honey. But that's okay. That is okay. It's stuck in here. Okay, forget dividing. I'm gonna just, my hair needs to be detangled bad. Like, it is so tangled up because I haven't been touching it. It's okay if you get hair in the bowl. It's your hair anyways. I'm glad I got this other towel because this is a big, huge mess. And just finger detangle it a little bit as you add in the treatment, the protein treatment. Do y'all hear that? Y'all see that though? Do y'all see that? Are y'all seeing these curls? I love it. I'm glad this ain't stopped in the middle of my video. Okay, I'm not gonna like record me putting it in the rest of my hair. I'm gonna come back when I'm finished. I just wanted to show y'all me putting it in one part. I hope the sun is still here when I'm done, but I'll be back when I'm done. Just don't know. It's touching me, it's touching me, it's touching me, it's touching me. Okay, y'all, this is after all of it has been applied. You see? Oh, it got on my toe. Okay, now I'm gonna put it in a thing because it's touching me and I don't like that. And look, it's probably gonna mess up my shirt because it's oil. I hope it washes out. I don't know. But it's touching me, it's touching me, it's touching me, it's touching me, and I hate it. I hate that it's touching me. Oh my gosh. But like I said, I'm gonna leave it in for 30, 45 minutes, then rinse it out. And then I'm gonna come back and show y'all how it look after. Look, y'all can see it. It's eating the nutrients. It looks shiny. Some of my curls are popping. I love it. This side is fluffier than this side because this side is way down because I just got done with this side. And I've been got done with this side. This took about 20 minutes per se. Plus that part that I did on camera, so about 30 minutes. Oh shoot, it's getting all over me. Okay, I'm finna put in a thing. And I'll be back.